Great duties and responsibilities have been reposed in you. The symbols, paraphernalia, and equipment have been placed in your charge. It is your solemn and sacred duty to guard them well. Let no stranger know them. Let no thoughtless hand mar them. Make them your special charge, so that when they are presented, their appearance shall be your commendation. The great confidence placed in you by your fellow squires is also a great responsibility. We wish you success. For the warden, Ron Quiet, please invest the marshal with his official jewelry. And now, squires of the Father Paul Gray, circle number 5717, mark this parting word. Well, some specific duties, responsibilities of each officer has been pointed out to him. Nonetheless, important are the duties of each individual squire. You have selected the officers, but they cannot successfully function without your support. Give to your officers hearty and generous support, and you will never regret your choice. And in the progress, advancement, and achievements of your council, your circle, you will find ample rewards. That the year may be successful to the officers and members alike is the sincere, earnest wish of the Boone Christi Council, number 13520, brothers who sponsor you. I'm going to ask our Reverend Father Alphonse, if he would, to please come back